changes.
Hey guys, I'm Shubham and welcome back to Tech and App Therapy. Today I'm not going to review any apps, but instead of that, I'm going to discuss some Chinese apps and websites with their alternatives. We can see there are many Chinese apps which has created a large impact all over the world. There are many popular apps in App Store and Play Store. There are many e-commerce websites too, but many of us might not be aware about their alternatives which gives exactly similar feature or even more functionality. There are many top listed apps which are not China based. Some of them are made in India which can replace all those Chinese apps. So let's check all of them in category wise. First category is none other than short video application, which is TikTok. And the alternative for this is Bolo India, Roposo, ShareChat, which are Indian apps. Also you can use IGTV too. Wherein the news is that the IGTV will be starting monetization soon over the videos of IGTV, so you can be able to add and advertise into your videos. But here the content should be definitely more than 15 seconds and 1 minute, as the ad itself might be of 15 seconds. Coming to next category, that is file transfer and file manager applications, which are ShareIt, Zender and ES File Explorer, wherein the alternatives for these applications are GeoSwitch, which is Indian application, and also you can use ShareAll Files by Google, which is a file manager plus a file transfer application. Also you can use Amaze File Explorer, which is an open source having a simple and clean material design UI with various features built in it. Also you can try many themes. It provides cloud service, FTP service too. Some people might still use apps of Cheetah Mobile, which are Clean Master, Security Master, Cheetah Keyboard, CM Browser, Battery Doctor, CM Locker, CM File Manager, CM Launcher 3D, DU Recorder, DU Battery Saver, DU Cleaner, DU Privacy 360 Security, DU Browser, Kika Keyboard, and there are many more of them which were caught engaging in advertisement fraud and requesting for other apps permissions, which were actually not required for that applications. So I am requesting you not to use it anymore. The detailed article link is given in the description below, you can check it out. Coming to browser category, the alternative for UC browser is Indian Geo browser, or also you can use Google Chrome or Brave browser, as UC browser often shows inappropriate ads and notifications too, which any browser does not do so, though it has been taken out from Play Store many a times. Coming to utility tool category, that is Cam Scanner, which was also taken down from Play Store, as Kaspersky product has detected a module of Trojan dropper, as it was said that it was dropping Trojan into your mobile. So the alternative over here is Adobe Scan, Microsoft Office, and also you can take advantage of Google Drive for scanning over your documents via Google Docs. Coming to next utility tool, that is AppLock. I don't know why, but this AppLock application by Do Mobile here need more permission than any other app locks. So the alternative to this app is Norton AppLock. The Norton itself is acquired by Symantec, so in the area of privacy and security, the application has upper hand. But I think nowadays there are many inbuilt AppLock available rather than using other external AppLock application. Coming up is VPN application, which is Turbo VPN and Opera Mini VPN. Here Turbo VPN has a wide link with Chinese companies, even though the company is registered in Singapore. Also, a report suggests that a single Chinese company secretly owns 10 VPN apps including Turbo VPN with a total of 86 million installed. And about Opera Mini VPN, this is a Norwegian company which is owned by Chinese companies too. So the alternative for this is Proton VPN. Here the app is free, open sourced, and you can get multiple free servers for 3 major locations: the US, Netherlands and Japan. Next is WPS Office, which was developed by Chinese software developer company Kingsoft, and it has best alternative that are Microsoft Office and Office Suite Parallel Space, which has App Cloner as alternative with VPN feature in it. But if you need to clone any app, you can use dual app feature from your settings. Next category is camera app or photo editor app, which is Beauty Plus, and in alternative to this app you can find B612, Candy Camera, and also you can use one of the most famous app, which is PicsArt, for clicking out photos and editing too. Next comes video editing application, which are Viva Video and Power Director. An alternative for this is KineMaster. Next over here is e-commerce application and websites, which are Club Factory, Shine, AliExpress, Banggood, GearBeast, TomTop, Alibaba, and in alternative to that you can find out Flipkart, Amazon India, Hoovs, Snapdeal, ShopClues, Tata Click, Paytm Mall and Myntra. Next is news category, wherein you can replace UC News with alternatives like Google News, Daily Hunt, Times of India, Economic Times, Indian Express, InShots, which all are the alternatives for UC News. Coming up with Zoom, which is not a China-based company, but recently it admitted that user data was mistakenly routed through China, which again raises the privacy issue of the app. Not only this, Indian government advisory says avoid using Zoom. So here are the best alternatives for Zoom, that is Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx Meeting, Skype, and also you can try out the upcoming Indian Say Namaste app for video conferencing. Wrapping up in the end, I hope you may have got the best alternatives so far regarding privacy issue or other stuff too. If I have missed something, please let me know in the comment section below. Like and share the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then a sub will be really amazing. Now I am signing off and catch you in the next one.